7. Natural ways to quickly get rid of lice and nits. Lice and nits are parasites that feed on the blood of the person who is their host, and in addition to being extremely unpleasant to think about, they also cause discomfort and severe itching or lesions on the scalp. Children are usually the most affected by this problem, because of the ease of infection in places like daycares or schools. This is why it's important that parents take care to detect them quickly before they can spread and eventually affect other members of the family. In today's markets there are numerous hair treatments and cures that will help end the infestation and destroy the eggs, but most of those products are loaded with harmful chemicals that can cause skin irritation or be too aggressive for use on children. Fortunately, there are some very effective natural solutions that will help you solve this problem without risking your child's health, while benefiting the scalp at the same time. Are you ready to find out what they are? 1. Eucalyptus leaves. The pungent smell of eucalyptus leaves helps eliminate these pests quickly, by altering the ideal environment for lice to thrive. How should you use them? Add a few eucalyptus leaves to a pot of boiling water. Let simmer for 5 minutes and remove from heat. After it has cooled for a few minutes, but while warm, apply the liquid as a rinse for your hair, starting at the roots. 2. Rosemary. Rosemary is known to be one of the best herbs for hair care, thanks to its ability to strengthen hair, slow hair loss, and keep it free from pests like lice and nits. How should you use it? Add a few stalks of rosemary to a pot of boiling water and let them simmer for 5 minutes. Allow the liquid to cool, and then apply as a rinse from the roots to the tips of your hair. 3. Apple cider vinegar. The acid in apple cider vinegar helps eliminate these pests and also dries out their eggs. Note that in severe cases, this treatment likely won't be 100% effective and is best used as a complement to another natural treatment. How should you use it? Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water, and apply this liquid to dry hair, making sure to cover all of your hair. 4. Lavender oil. Lavender oil may have a pleasing smell to us, but for lice it's the most annoying smell in the world. The strong aroma of lavender oil, combined with its medicinal properties, can help you be rid of these awful insects once and for all. How should you use it? Purchase lavender essential oil at any health food store or herbalist, and apply a small amount throughout your scalp. 5. Coconut oil. Another good oil for fighting lice while giving your hair the proper nutrition it needs is coconut oil. This popular oil has antibiotic and antiviral properties that help prevent fungal infections and promote healthier hair. How should you use it? Apply a few drops of coconut oil to your scalp using a gentle massaging motion. You can use this as a substitute for your conditioner, as it softens hair and gives it a soft glow. 6. Tea tree oil. This essential oil is known for its antibiotic, antiviral, and antifungal properties that can reduce irritation to the scalp and provides relief from the itching caused by the bites of these insects. As with some of the remedies above, regular use of tea tree oil will reduce the presence of lice in your hair, while also preventing other problems like dandruff. How should you use it? One option is to add 15 to 20 drops of tea tree oil to your regular shampoo. You can also apply a few drops to your scalp using gentle massaging motions. In either case, the dosage should be fairly minimal because too much of this oil can harm your hair and scalp. 7. Garlic. Garlic has strong antibiotic and antifungal powers, while also having a powerful impact against insects and lice. The high content of sulfur compounds create an unsuitable environment for the proliferation and survival of these annoying insects, helping to repel them in the future. How should you use it? Crush an entire head of garlic and add it to half a liter of boiling water. Let this mixture stand for a few hours at least, then strain the liquid and rub it into your scalp before bedtime. Cover your head with a shower cap or plastic wrap, and leave it on overnight. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.